Hi friends, National Water Development Agency has given a notification for recruitment of various posts. So before going to the details, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also please like my video and also share this video with your friends. So let us see the details here. So here six types of posts are there, that is junior engineering, civil, Hindi translator, junior accounts officer, upper division clerk, stenographer to lower division clerk, and this is the pay matrix for different posts. For junior engineering 35,400 to 1,12,400, and Hindi translator same, and here upper division clerk stenographer grade 2 is 25,500 to 81,100, and lower division clerk 19,900 to 63,200. This is a pay level, and total post in junior engineer are 16, Hindi translator 1, junior accounts officer 5, upper division clerk 12, stenographer grade 2 is 5, lower division clerk is 23, and this is the age limit for junior engineering civil 18 to 27 years, Hindi translator 21 to 30 years, junior accounts officer 21 to 30, upper division clerks 18 to 27, and all this age limit is 18 to 27 years. And educational qualifications, if you see, for junior engineering post, essentially is diploma in civil engineering or equivalent from a recognized university, or equivalent. Desirable is a degree in civil engineering or equivalent from a recognized university. Means compulsory should possess diploma, and if you have a degree in civil engineering, it is a desirable or preferred. Hindi translator, master's degree of a recognized university in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the level of degree, or master's degree of a recognized university in English with Hindi as a compulsory or elective subject or as the medium of examination at the entry level. So like this, some qualifications are given. So I will provide this notification link in the description. So you can read out total. And junior accounts officer, essentially is degree in commerce from a recognized university or institute, 3-year experience in cash and accounts in government office or PSU or autonomous body or statutory body. Desirable is candidates having CA, ICWA and company secretary will be preferred. Upper division clerk, essentially is degree from a recognized university, and knowledge desirable is knowledge of computer operating systems, MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and internet knowledge is required here. And a stenographer grade 2, essentially is 12th class passed from a recognized board or university, and also skill test is conducted. It means you have a typing skill on computer, and that is 80 words per minute, the required speed. And for lower division clerk, qualification is 12th class passed, and also typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi and computer. Desirable is knowledge of computer operating systems, MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and the knowledge of internet is required. And if you see the important dates, commencement of online registration on the website is 10/5/2021. Last date for submission of online application is 25/6/2021, and computer based test will be notified later on the website. So you should be, after applying, you should frequently check the website for the computer based test examination details like that. And here you see application fees of 840 rupees for general and OBC category candidates, and 500 rupees for SC, ST, women, EWS and PWD category. It's payable through online mode through payment gateway. And if you see the age relaxations for SC and ST candidates, 5 years age relaxation is there, and OBC candidates 3 years, physically handicapped 10 years. and 15 years for SC/ST candidates and 13 years for OBC candidates. It's all together if you see. Ex-servicemen service rendered in Army, Navy, Air Force plus 3 years. Government employees including departmental candidates 5 years for junior engineering. Hindi translated like this is given. Selection process or selection criteria. For the post of junior engineering and Hindi translator, junior accounts officer and UDC means upper division clerk, the selection will be made through comparative computer based test, means there is a competitive exam, computer mode for these posts. And for the post of stenographer grade 2 and lower division clerk, the selection will be made through a competitive computer based online test and also skill test. So for these two posts, online computer based test is there and also skill test, typing test is also there. Qualified candidates in online examination test on the merit basis will be called for shorthand or typing test. So this is only for qualifying only. So means if you qualify in this test, it is okay. And the merit only is taken from the CBT, computer based test. For the post mentioned in serial number 5 and 6. So if you see 5 and 6 means stenographer grade 2 and lower division clerk. For this post only there is a shorthand or typing test is there. And for other post only CBT, computer based online test will be there. And if you see how you can apply, means you have to apply in online mode only by visiting this www.nwda.gov.in. So I will provide this website link in the description. Up to midnight of 25/6/2021 only. And if you see some of the important points here, candidates applying for more than one post should apply separately for each post and submitted fee for each post. So if you are applying more than one post, you have to apply separately and you have to pay fees separately. Candidate should have a valid personal email ID. It should be kept active during the currency of this recruitment process, and the candidates are requested to check regularly their emails or website for any communication from NWDA. Before registering or submitting application on the website, a candidate must possess the following: valid email ID, scanned copy of latest passport size colored photograph not more than 3 months old, and scanned signature and a digital format for uploading in the application. All the relevant documents relating to eligibility criteria, that is education qualification, caste certificate, experience certificate and disability certificate, and you have a facility to take a printout after applying. So these are some of the points given. So please like and share my video with your friends. Thank you.